Okay, solving for unknown angles again. The difference is that in the previous example, they gave us a ratio with root 3 in it, which we happen to recognize. It was one of our special triangles that we've got memorized, or that we should. This one is some decimal that I've never seen before, and so I don't have the foggiest notion what this triangle is going to look like. That means we're going to need a small bit of help from the calculator to finish. First, though, since my calculator doesn't have a secant key, I'm going to flip this. I'm going to take the reciprocal. The reciprocal of secant x is cosine x. And that equals 1 over 1.2631. Looks 0.7917. And it's still negative for now. 0.7917. So where are we? We need to draw some triangles here. Cosine is negative, meaning we're in the two quadrants where x is negative. We should be over here, or perhaps over here. In this quadrant, cosine is positive, so that's not it. In this quadrant, everything is positive, so that's not it either. So there's our triangles. I don't know what angle this corresponds to, but the calculator can help with that. If you have 0.7917 and you do the second cosine, or the inverse cosine, you get, what do they say? They say nearest degree. I get 37.65, so I'll call that 38 degrees. Notice again, the number is negative, but I didn't tell the calculator about that. I just put second cosine of 0.7917 and it gave me 38. That's the reference angle. The calculator will clumsily try to help you if you put that negative sign in, and it won't do a very good job generally. You're better off handling the quadrant work yourself. So, 38-degree reference angles, but we want rotation angles. This angle, the first one, is 180 minus 38, which is 142 degrees. And the second one is 180 plus 38, which I believe is 218. Let's see if we can do it again. Cosecant x equals 2.45. Again, they give me a reciprocal function, which I'm not a fan of, so let's flip this immediately. The reciprocal of cosecant is sine, and the reciprocal of 2.45, according to my calculator, is 0.408. All right, so where are we? What quadrants are we in? Sine is y over r, so the two quadrants where y is positive up here are the ones where we must be sitting. We're either here or we are here. These two quadrants, sine is negative. The cast rule tells you that, and so does the fact that sine is y over r. Now again, 0.408 is not a ratio I recognize. It's not a special triangle, but if you do the second sine of it, your calculator will tell you that the reference angle is about 24 degrees. So 24 there, or 24 there. Now, rotation angles. First one's in quadrant 1, so it's super easy. It really is 24 degrees. The second rotation angle is like going to 180 and then backing up 24 degrees from there, which gives us 156.